In Pipedrive, the ongoing transaction you are pursuing with a person or organization is tracked as a deal, which is processed through the stages of your pipeline until it is either won or lost. When clicking on a deal, you will be taken to that deal's detailed view, which displays all of the relevant contact information, as well as all activities, emails, notes, and actions in regards to the deal. Deals can be associated with a person, an organization, or both. Deals track all events and movements that take place throughout your sales process. Since a deal is connected to a contact, any actions you perform on the deal will also be associated with the person or organization related to it. The progress of the deals in your account is tracked as reports in your account. smartMILE CRM consulting services can help you fight scattered customer data, poor lead conversion, and low sales rates. Contact our experts today and start closing more deals faster.